you unsure whether to use Amazon Photos or Google Photos to manage your memories? Let me help you decide. Let's dive into the key features and benefits of both Amazon Photos and Google Photos so that you can make an informed decision about which is the best platform for you. I'll be comparing Amazon Photos and Google Photos in the following key areas: storage, organizational features, sharing, app usability, and pricing. So let's have a look. Storage. Amazon Photos 4 stars. Amazon Prime members enjoy unlimited photo storage, offering exceptional value if you're already subscribed to Prime. This is particularly beneficial for those with large photo libraries, but that storage is only for the main account holder, and obviously only Prime members. Also, there is a 5GB limit on video storage. If you want more, you need to start paying for additional storage. Google Photos 3 stars. Google only gives you 15GB storage for free, which has to go across all of your accounts. So emails, files, photos, the lot. So most people are going to have to pay monthly or yearly for storage, which could be costly over time, so not great. Hence 3 stars. Organizational features. Amazon Photos 4 stars. Now, in the past, I would have given a full 5 stars to Amazon Photos, as there used to be a nice drive area where you could still keep your photos in a nice organized folder structure. This feature is still kind of there, but not in the way that it used to be, where you could freely sort your photos. If you want to know more, then check out this other video up here. But when it comes to other features, Amazon Photos has all the normal stuff of albums, AI searching, and facial recognition. Google Photos 3 stars. Google Photos, I know, has all the normal stuff of albums, AI searching, and facial recognition, but keeping any sorting you've done in folders is not there. All you can do is a ton of albums. However, the one thing I do love about Google is they help you find the photos you don't want with their Documents area in the Explore section. These are a great way to find and delete stuff you don't want. Sharing. Amazon Photos 5 stars. When it comes to sharing, Amazon is pretty darn good, with sharing just a few photos to sharing your whole catalogue through Family Vault without you having to interfere. But you are limited to 5 members in that vault. Google Photos 3 stars. With Google Photos, you can share in the same way as Amazon, with links, whole albums, and your full catalogue with partner sharing. But the big downside to Google partner sharing is it's kind of there in the name. You can only share with one other person, a partner. So sharing with others is a big downside, unless you have the patience to create a load of shared albums. App usability. Amazon Photos 3 stars. The Amazon Photo app does give you everything that you need in an app: searchability, creation of albums, finding memories, all that jazz. But there is just something about how they decided to lay out the functionality with this kind of search section under your photos that takes a bit of getting used to. And it's not always intuitive. Just ask the number of clients I've had to talk through how it works. So a poor 3 stars from me. Google Photos 5 stars. The Google Photos app, on the other hand, just seems to make more sense and is easy to navigate with all the normal areas you would expect with albums, searchability, and memories. My only pet peeve about the app is it's not always blindingly obvious that it's actually backing up, and you need to be careful with the settings to make sure you are backing up properly and often. Pricing. Amazon Photos 4 stars. As I've said before, Amazon Photos is free for Amazon Prime members, so excellent value if you already have a Prime subscription. The unlimited photo storage is a significant benefit, but if you're not a Prime member or you think you will cancel your membership at any point, this is not the storage for you. Also, the 5GB of video storage can be restrictive for those who record a lot of videos where you have to pay for more storage. Google Photos 3 stars. Although Google Photos offers 15GB of free storage, the upgrades can get pricey quickly, especially as it includes all of your Google stuff. Also, the steps for storage really annoy me a lot, with the jump from 200GB to 2TB, as most people probably need about 500GB, so you're paying for a lot of storage you don't need. But I'm guessing that's why they've put it there, so they can get more of your money. Cynical? Me? Never. My view. Both Amazon Photos and Google Photos have their strengths and weaknesses. So the choice ultimately depends on your personal preferences and priorities. Amazon Photos is ideal for Amazon Prime members who want unlimited photo storage and easy sharing options through Family Vault. Google Photos, on the other hand, is a great alternative, but the price might get out of hand quickly if you're a lover of photos and videos. I hope this comparison has helped you decide which photo management platform is right for you. Let me know in the comments below which platform you prefer and why. But if you want a more in-depth look at these photo storage options, then check out these other videos here to find out more. If you enjoyed this video, then why not go ahead with a like and a share. Have fun rediscovering your memories. I'll see you in my next video.